behind the paint booth here and check out what we got going. All right, we've got all this all prepped and primed, ready for paint. Come check it out. Been a labor-intensive process here. Lots of sanding, lots of priming, lots of body work. Probably 4 coats of primer, all ready to go. Last look at it being gray. If you look at it next time, it's going to be shiny and blue. Got all the hood pieces here, front end. We've changed colors, so we got some of the parts there we repainting a little different shade of blue. You got to have the right shade of forward blue.